Hi, it's Darnell with Way of Living Recipes, and today I'm going to be grilling wings in the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL Griddle and Grill, and we'll see how that turns out. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so let me introduce you to the ingredients I'm going to be using here. I've got a bunch of wing sections here. I don't know how many or how much they weigh. I just got a bunch. And I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm not going to be cooking too hot, so don't worry about smoke point. Got some Old Bay seasoning I'm going to be using here as well. And so basically I'm going to start warming things up while I start getting the wings together. So I'm going to turn things on. I'm going to leave that temp at 350 for time. Not sure how much I'll need, but we'll swing it. Let's swing it up. I mean, not going to need an hour, but just so that we have plenty of time to work with. That's why I'm setting it to an hour. And so hitting start, let things start warming up. While they're warming up, I'm going to go ahead and get the oil onto the wings here. And this is just to, number one, help the seasoning to stick. Also, it does help the meat of the wings not to, I mean, it'll get some searing, but at the same time it won't get like burnt overcooked. It does help with that. If you've seen when I cooked the whole chicken in the Ninja Crispy, how the oil helped with that. It does help to avoid the skin of the chicken just getting overburnt while at the same time getting some searing, but just not getting burnt. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle on the Old Bay now to season things up. And you can use the seasonings of your choice. There's like over 900 videos here on the channel covering over 100 different countertop cookers. And so I've used all different types of seasonings over the years here. And one thing that I always often go back to, as many who have been watching this channel a lot know, is good old Bay. So, got things seasoned up now. Got things, you know, can mix up the seasoning on the wings here. Just make sure it's all good and covered. And maybe being from Baltimore, I might use more Old Bay than you might use, but it's all up to you. Anyway, we're going to let things continue to warm up, and once they're warmed up, we're going to get those wings on the grill. Alright, time to put the wings on the grill. I'll lay them out here. The thing I like about this grill is it's so big, you can put a bunch on it. Because some smoke is starting to come off a little bit, I'm going to close it because I'm trying to mitigate the smoke a little bit, or the smoke alarms won't be happy. Oh, I missed the wing. Oh no. Alright, about 10 minutes, and so I'm going to try and flip things over. I have taken some measures to make sure nothing smoke alarm related should bother things. Lord willing. It seems, even though there's oil on these, things are sticking a bit. So we are getting some stick over in the grill. So I'm going to finish getting these turned over here. We are seeing some good Mylar reaction going on. Alright, things are looking like they're not smoking too much, so I'll just leave them open face here and let them run open face for a while. Alright, so been going for 15 minutes, but I can see that some of the meat is not cooking as well with things open. So I'm going to go ahead and have to close up and let things cook so that the heat can concentrate a little better. Alright, been going for 20 minutes now. I'm going to flip things over one more time. I feel that things just cook way better with things closed and open. I think that part right there needs some cooking. Looks a little too pink. And I do want to say, for me, it's not all just about reaching 165. It's also about getting a nice texture when grilling. So I'm going to give them 10 more, and then I will start checking temperature. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. It's going to open up. Things look very well grilled. You can tell me what you think of those there. I'm just going to check temp for the sake of checking, but I know they're well over 165, and that's all good with me. So, turning things off there. Now I'm going to go ahead and start getting these off. Alright, so that's 15 wings total here. They're fully cooked up. And so, just going to let them sit and rest for a moment. Alright, so after things have cooled down a bit, just going to grab one here and plate it for the taste test. And I'm going to need a good, like medium bristle brush. Not anything metal or anything really abrasive, but like a good medium bristle brush to basically get all that cleaned down. You can see that's pretty messy. But we're focusing on taste test time. So thank God for this wing, and let's taste. Okay, moist and juicy, turned out good. So it's able to grill the wings very well. You will have the chore of cleaning it, but it's able to do the job good. So I do like how things turned out. And so nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing given to me. And there's lots of ways to help the channel. You can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And there's a buy me a coffee there. Also in the video description, there's things like cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price but help the channel, and buy me a coffee link there also. And as well, if you've not seen the initial review for this cooker, be sure to check that out here on the Wave Oven Recipes YouTube channel. In addition, if you're interested in buying this and you see a link to like shop or buy here on the Wave Oven Recipes YouTube channel here in this video, you might see it here on this video right now. That is like a shop icon to buy it. You buy it through that, you help the channel. And so lots of ways to help there, but there are free ways to help if you want to help for totally free. You can give this video a thumbs up. You can share this video with a friend. You can subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.